Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and it is not my usual video, it is kind of a vlog because in this video I'm going to show you all of my products that I bought from my Accenture work from home money. So you might know that Accenture provides a total sum of 18,000 to build your own work from home setup, and you can buy product from that money, and I have already made a video on that, like what are the products which you can buy and how much you can spend on each product. So you will find that link in the description box. If you want to know more about work from home allowance, then you can watch that video. But in this video I'm going to show you all of the products which I never showed before, like that I bought from that money only. So yeah, let's start this vlog. And yeah, first of all I want to show you the space where I work. Okay, the small work from home setup that I built. So basically we have a table and basic amenities, then all keyboard, mechanical keyboard, and then we have my laptop on which I work and the laptop on which I edit, and I have some posters. So guys, with this let's start this video, and I'm gonna show you each of the product one by one. So let's start. So guys, let's start from one side. So as you can see, this is the chair which I bought from my Accenture work from home money, and this is the biggest product among the products which I bought. So this chair belongs to Savia company. So it's an ergonomical chair. As you can see, it is very comfortable, and of course I haven't removed this plastic yet, and it's been more than like 7 months since I bought this. Nice. But yeah, this is the chair which I bought from that money, and it costed me somewhere around like near to 3,000, and I got this deal during the Big Billion Day sale. It usually costs somewhere around like 3 to 4,000, but I got this for 2,900 something rupees. Okay, so it was a stellar deal, and this chair is very comfortable. Now moving on to the next product, let me start my laptop, because for the next product it would be better to show you like that way only. So this is the second product which I bought from that money. This is a mechanical keyboard come gaming keyboard, and it comes from the brand Redgear. It is not visible yet because of the lighting, and it is a RGB keyboard, as you can see, and I can definitely change the styling of this keyboard. There are like multiple patterns which you can opt for. So this keyboard costed me somewhere around like 1,500. It was also bought on Big Billion Day sale, and it was a deal, guys. Like you usually don't find good mechanical or gaming keyboard at this price point. Like there are many, but also quality matters now. So if you ask me the like model name, so this is Redgear Shadow Amulet. This is a very good mechanical keyboard, and if you are wondering that whether you can buy a mechanical or gaming keyboard or not, then I want to tell you that yeah, for sure you can buy that. But yeah, while like claiming, you can mention instead of gaming keyboard, you can mention it is a mechanical keyboard. It would be much a safer option to do so. Okay, so this is the second product which I bought, and now moving on to the third product. By the way, this table is not bought from that money because this is completely a wooden table, entirely custom made. Stay मेरे घर पे ही पड़ा था तो मैं वहाँ से उठा लाया. So you can also buy a table, by the way. Then moving on to the third product, which is this mat. This is not mat actually, but a keyboard and a mouse pad. Okay, this is a gaming pad actually. So this is a mat, black mat, and you can see there's a rubber grip behind. You will usually find these kind of mats ranging from like 500 to maybe like 1,000, 1,500, but I got this for very cheap. Like I got this for only 300 rupees. Now moving on to the next product. So this is the next product which I bought from my work from home money. So as you can see, this is a 4-pin adapter, or you can say a power cable, and it is from brand Siska, but it is a very good power adapter, power cable, whatever you say. So yeah guys, you will find this kind of power adapters on Flipkart or Amazon as well. And by the way, you can also buy these products from offline market, but don't forget to, not at all forget to, get the GST bill, because that is required, mandatory to claim your money. So this is the fourth product which I bought. Now let's move on to the next product. So the next product which I bought was this MI Pocket Power Bank. This is a 10,000 mAh power bank, and it's a tiny one. Let me show you. It's actually very cute. Yeah, see, it's a very tiny one. It's a little one, and the total power capacity is 10,000 mAh, and it costed me somewhere around like maybe 900 rupees. Yeah, somewhere near to that only. And it usually ranges between 1000 to 1200, so that is the usual amount which you have to pay, but I got this for 900, so it was a deal as well. And there's a power button. You can also charge this with USB-C, and it also supports USB, that new normal USB-C. So this is how you can power this up. So guys, now moving on to the next product and the most expensive product from this list. So this is the Google Pixel Buds. As you can see, this is the picture of that bird, Google Pixel Buds, that I bought from that money only. And by the way, many people were asking me like whether I can buy earpods or not. So yes, you can buy any type of earbuds or maybe headphones. Like there is no price capping on any product. So I bought these. This is the Google Pixel Buds, and guys, it is sweet. Like, it is very fantastic product from Google, and it costed me somewhere around like maybe 8,000 rupees, and right now it is priced at 10,000 rupees. So guys, for sure it is a very good product. As you can see, it has that magnetic attraction as well between the case and the buds, and you can see these are Mentos shaped buds, but these are very comfortable, and the sound quality is very good, like what you can expect from Google, right? So it's a quality product, so I thought to invest because I really like listening to music. So yeah. So this is the dual band router from the brand DBC, and basically it was installed when I was getting the fiber connection, BSNL fiber connection. So it costed me somewhere around 5,000 rupees, and it was bought before like I got to know about the work from home program. But fortunately I had the GST bill of this modem, so I claimed this for 5,000 rupees. And till now guys, I think I have like 200 or maybe 100 rupees left after spending all of that money. So I think Accenture has provided us a very good opportunity to build our own setup, to become comfortable in our own zone. And guys, if you have built similar kind of setups, or if you have bought something cool, then you can also show to the world through my channel. You can comment down in the comment box that you want to show your work from home setups or maybe some other products, and I will be open to accept your request as well. So guys, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.